Thanks for stopping in today. I want to show you what I've done to my stairs. I love the look of tile stairs. I don't like the commitment of tile actually anywhere in my house. And I looked at the adhesive risers that are very trendy and popular right now. And by the time I priced them out, it was going to be close to $200. And I just, you know, I just don't have that since my shops fund all of my projects and most of the things I do here. I just have to be a little more cost conscious. So I thought, wallpaper, that's all the adhesive treads are. They're just adhesive wallpaper. So I found this tile online, or this wallpaper online. I loved the look of the tile for what I'm going for here. I'm doing a lot of blues and grays, and this just had that nice, you know, Portuguese tile look to it, Spanish tile. So what I did is I measured my stairs. I'll show you when we're all done. And I have two sizes. The larger was like 46 inches. The smaller were 38 inches, I believe. So I then would just cut along the grout lines. And then you saw the pictures. I taped it up with painter's tape, got the pattern I liked, and then took them off in the order that I liked them. Keeping them in order because you don't want to mess up the pattern. But anyway, it ended up, this roll of wallpaper was $32. It's pre-pasted wallpaper, $32. Now I am going to include the tutorial just to show you, if you've never worked with pre-pasted wallpaper, how absolutely easy it is. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Maybe you'll try it on your own. So you have your cut wallpaper. It's in the order that you want it on your stairs. And now it's time to activate the glue and get it ready to put on the stairs. So if you've never worked with the pre-pasted, it's really easy. In this case, I'm using a bucket. If you're working with a wall, you're gonna want a big tub that, you know, your whole piece of wallpaper will fit in. This case, the bucket was perfect. So a bucket of warm water, you just take it in, run it through the water. You don't want to leave it in too long because then it's going to wash the glue off. And then you put it, I have an old sheet here that I'm using. You put it on your prepared surface so that it doesn't get all messy nicky. I like to work with 3 or 4 pieces at a time, 5. This was easy because it won't dry quickly. If you're working with a wall and you want to book them all, they say put it in a garbage bag, but I would rather just do a couple pieces at a time and rather than do them all and risk messing my pattern up. But anyway, so here we go. Now these I'm going to let sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'll take them and put them on the stairs where in the order that I want them, or order that they belong. Okay, so I've put it on most of the stairs, but I did want to take a minute and show you this. I'm kind of whispering because everyone is still asleep in the house. Actually, the kids, the adults are awake, and Bailey, of course Bailey's awake. So here is the piece that I showed you that I cut and I've booked. It's ready to go together. I chose to put the whole pieces on the right side because a lot of times I'm standing in the kitchen and I can see the stairs, and I knew my personal preference that if I was standing in the kitchen and looking at the stairs, it would bug me more to see the partial pieces than the whole piece. So in this case, they're both whole. So I just take it apart. And I'm going to try to do this not to show you. Alright, so take it apart. And it just sticks right away. I'm going to pull it over here a bit. It's hard to do backwards. Alright, let's see. Come over here and line up the edge. eyeball it. Now the ones up there I put closer to the top because that's the way your eye moves. These, since they're not completely, they don't fill the whole space since they're 5-inch tiles instead of 6-inch tiles. I tended to center them as they got further down just so that it looked more natural. But the upper ones I did put towards the top because it won't matter with the gap at the bottom. You're not going to notice it unless you're going right up. Anyway, so you smooth out the air bubbles. It's like contact paper, anything like that. If you've ever worked with it. And then, I don't know if you can see, I'll show you on the end. I left the end long there, and once it's dry, that's when you go through and you cut off the excess. If you try to do it when it's wet, you're going to tear your wallpaper. All right, I'll go ahead and do this other piece. Take my damp sponge. That just glides along, helps get any air bubbles, gets rid of excess glue. And then I take the dry towel. And there you go.